You guys want to hear smoke on the water? If you own a Denago golf cart and you'd like a storage solution that looks great, is heavy duty, and does not affect the size of your vehicle, well then, I'd like to introduce you to the BA utility basket. Let's check it out. Now I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to install the utility basket on your Denago. But first, let me give you 5 reasons why you might want this bad boy on your golf cart. First is that this provides a ton of storage for your items, but it does not affect the size of your Denago. As you can see, the brush guard's out further than the basket. It's not any wider than the golf cart, but yet it's still pretty deep and wide, so it can handle a ton of items. Second is that it's heavy duty. It is overbuilt and can handle a ton of weight, as you saw me stepping on it earlier. Whether you have a heavy cooler, you're hunting and you want to throw a dang deer up there, I don't care what the heck you're doing. It can handle a couple 100 pounds with ease. Third is the simple installation. With just a couple tools and 5 minutes to spare, you can install the utility basket on your Denago and start loading it up with gear. Fourth is the bungee cords. So we include these with your utility basket. And although it's pretty simple, it's one of those details we like to do here at BA Parts because your basket is only as good as what stays in it. And last but not least, it just looks freaking good. It's a dang good looking basket in my opinion, and I think it makes the front end of the golf cart look even better. If any of those reasons are big enough for you to invest in this product, you can go to shopbaparts.com, or you can just click the product below this video, or go to the link in the description below. But with that being said, that's enough of me trying to sell this to you. Let's show you the step-by-step installation. So when you open your Denago utility basket box, you will see the following: a utility basket, Denago basket mounts, which these are both the same. There's no left or right, they're both identical, so they can go on either side. 2 bungee cords are included with your basket, and last but not least, you will have your mounting hardware. The tools you will need to install the basket on your Denago is a 3/16 Allen wrench, 1/2 inch wrench, 1/2 inch socket, and then either a socket wrench or impact, and then you will need a 13 millimeter socket. So the first step to install your utility basket on your Denago is grab your 13 millimeter socket or socket wrench, go over here to either side of the cart and pull the strut cover up. If you want to invert it like so it's flipped around, so it's easier to get to these bolts. What you need to do is completely remove the top bolt, but then just slightly loosen the bottom bolt. Okay, so slightly loosen that so there's a gap there, maybe 1/4 of an inch. And what we're gonna do now is we have our top bolt pulled out, and what we do now is take our mount and slide it. If you look here from the top, the frame comes all the way up here, so don't be trying to shove this down on hit that top. You actually have to shove this down so it's on the outside of that. It's on the outside piece of that frame. What you do is you shove this down until it's hitting that bottom bolt. While we're shoving it down, hold the cover up and we slide this bolt into place like that. And slowly start to tighten it. And I was pushing down the whole time I was tightening these. And thoroughly tighten those up with your wrench or impact. Then form this back into place. It should lay on the cart just as it was before when it was factory. So that's done. Now we go do the exact same steps on this side of the cart. Now, what you want to do is take the foam that was provided in your box or a blanket, whatever you have that's soft, and where you want to drape this over the front end of your Denago so it does not get damaged, just in case the basket slipped where you're installing it and it hit the front end of your cart. We don't want that. So protect the front end of your cart. Grab your bolts. And what we're gonna do is grab the basket and hold it like on your gut and on your belt and then in the middle. And then slide it in between and insert your bolts on each end. Let's take our 13mm socket, wrench, whatever you're using. Now we want to fully tighten these. While we're doing this though, we want to make sure that the angle of these, both arms are the exact same angle. So we're going to tighten these up. And what we're going to do now is we will know if the angles of these arms, meaning how they're doing this, we will know if they're not the same if when we're mounting this, the line of these slots here aren't perfectly level with the mount. If you see what I'm saying here, it's perfectly level. As long as both sides are perfectly level, then we're good. So we'll grab our washers and 4 nylock nuts. I almost said grab your nuts, but that's not appropriate for a golf cart video. That's on different websites than BA parts and carts. So, all right, put your washer and nut on each bolt, finger tighten them. Now we're gonna tighten these up with the 3/16 Allen wrench and 1/2-inch socket. And again, what you're aiming to do is once it's mounted down, this mount is perfectly flush with the bottom side of the slot. Those are all mounted up. It's perfectly straight with each slot. And that means both mounts were the exact same level. Last but not least, the most simple part of the installation is take your bungee cords and you can do them whatever way you want to. If you want to make them go from hole to hole. And that is how easy it is to install a utility basket on your Denago. Now, as you'll see, it does not hit your windshield and it is ready to hit the road and haul whatever the heck you're going to haul down the road or at the beach or at the campground. Again, to purchase this, you can either click the product below the video, click the link in the description below, or just go to shopbaparts.com to buy it. If you ran into a problem doing your installation that you did not see in this video, please just let us know. Text us, call us, email us. We will take care of you. With that being said, thank you guys for watching and thank you for supporting BA Parts.